Himani Gurung, a brilliant young mind from Assam's Digboy, has been selected to attend a prestigious workshop by ISRO connected to India's first solar mission, Aditya L1. Born to a humble farmer, Rudra Bahadur Gurung from Powai Bangai village, Himani grew up in one of the state's most underdeveloped regions. Her dream of becoming a scientist kept her going against all odds. With relentless hard work, she stood third in physics during her graduation at Dibrugarh University and is currently pursuing her master's in applied physics and astrophysics at Tezpur University. Himani has now been invited to a national level workshop to be held from August 20 to 22 at IUCAA University of Kerala, where she will work on solar data analysis and space environmental modeling.
হয় আমি খুবই আনন্দিত হৈছোঁ আমি গোটেই আমাৰ পৰিয়ালৰ সৈতে বা আমাৰ গোটেই গাঁওবাসী ৰাইজ লগতে আমাৰ এখন মানে সমষ্টিৰ পৰা আদি কৰি গোটেই অসমৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ভনীজনে যোনটো গৌৰৱ কৰি আহিলে তাই আপোনাৰ ঈশ্বৰৰ কৰ্মশালালৈ নিৰ্বাচিত হৈছে ক'ব লাগিব আমাৰ কাৰণে খুব ডাঙৰ মানে এটা এচিভমেণ্ট
Himani's journey from a remote Assamese village to being recognized by India's premier space research agency is not just a personal victory, but a beacon of hope for students across Assam.